Hey guys, what's up? John from flatmikealpha.com, and we had a question of, can you do a single engine go around in a multi-engine airplane? If you lose an engine, come into land single engine, can you actually do a go around like that? So basically, will the airplane fly on one engine with the flaps down and the gear down for landing? So we'll go ahead and answer that question for you.
Want me to stay at 5,500 or?
Yeah, try to stay at 5,500, so get that gear down. That'll help you with the speed so you're not climbing. Make that awful noise go away.
3 green, +1. Two. Alright, get back down to 5. There's a lot to move that trim.
Yeah. So, blue line would be your best rated climb. Red line is basically where you theoretically lose control. Because we're lighter, it might be a little,
Right?
yeah, a little off that. Go ahead and bring your left throttle all the way back to idle. Then just try to do slow flight on the one engine, on the right engine. 5,500, 120 on the heading. A little more rudder there. Because you got gear and flaps out, and you're slower, it's really tough. And you're right near red line, so you're about to lose it. It's about to roll off on you. Pitch down just a hair. See how you're descending?
Yeah.
There's no way you're going to maintain altitude with the flaps and gear out on one engine. So one engine go around is almost impossible in this airplane, especially like high density altitude. You can pair them back up.
Is 3.5 miles.
You're alright.
That's hard, dude.
East of the field, we're climbing to 1,000
That's basically where you get in like the drag demo when you do it for the MEI. You'll go into slow flight and then you'll start to dirty up the airplane. Yeah, you can go ahead and hang it right here. Clear on the right side.
Alright.